Hello, viewers. Welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how you can sync your on-prem Active Directory objects to Entra ID or Microsoft Entra Cloud. And now, this is my domain controller, and you can see Active Directory here, objects, and users, computers, and other good stuff in it. So first of all, we'll go to Azure portal and download the AD Connect Entra Connect from there. So what I'll do, I'll go to um, Home and then Microsoft Entra ID, and after that I will go to Microsoft Entra Connect, and then you can see Manage here and then click on manage from on-prem connect. Click on download and connect sync agent, and when you accept and download, it will download the file. And let me show you how it looks like. It will appear in my download. Yeah, AD Connect. So that's very good. Once it is downloaded, then what I'll do, I'll install it on my AD Connect server, and this is the AD Connect server. Also join with the domain. You can see here in a minute. Yeah, it is joined. So what you will do, you will go to the file and then run it. So double click on it. Once the installer loads, you will be getting welcome Azure AD Connect screen. Once you have accept license terms by your policy, you have to click continue. Okay, we'll see. It is installing Connect and Microsoft Entra Connect Sync. Won't take long. Oh, now I'm getting the error. The installation required TLS 1.2, but it was not enabled on the server pro. Okay, so let me enable it here. Now you can see that on this screen, in after the configuration of TLS, I resume the recording. But on this screen, you can see express setting, but I don't want express setting in this. But express setting will work, might be suitable for many environments, but certain settings can only be set using customized settings installation. Like, let me show you. If I click on customize here, then you can see few options. Like, for example, specify custom installation location where I want to restore all the files, installation files. Use existing SQL server if we already have running, and existing service account, or specify custom sync group. And in this case, custom sync group, yes, can specify them, uh, but this option can be selected later as well. So, and import synchronization setting, you know so that's what you can select from here. And so let's go to the previous screen and select express settings now. And now you have to give the username uh, of you know uh, so over here we have to enter Entra Microsoft Entra ID hybrid identity administrator account. Let me paste it here and then next. Have to sign in with it. Let me enter the password. There, sign in, and then as multi-factor also enable. Then I have to use Microsoft Authenticator and then enter this 63 in it, and it is good to go. And now I have to enter the password for my domain. And the password is okay. To use the on-prem credential, UPN, and the domain is not verified. Yeah, because they didn't verify it, but continue without matching all UPN suffix. But in the production environment, we have to verify the domain before. Next, and then it will install the synchronization engine, configure Entra ID connector, configure my domain connector, enable password hash synchronization, enable auto upgrade, and configure synchronization service on this computer. As Exchange hybrid deployment as well. Yes, I do have Exchange server here, and it is also running. This is my Exchange, so let me start it so that it will also run at the same time. That's what I want. I want to sync my mailboxes and also my Active Directory objects. So as soon as this machine comes up, then I will go next to it. This is the Exchange server. Uh, yeah, here you go. It is applying the computer settings. Good. Now you can see as soon as I enter the password. Okay, we can leave this here, and then go back to the uh, connect, and then click on install. Now it is installing Microsoft SQL Server, Express, local database. Now it is configuring the synchronization service. It's almost done. Setup is complete now, configuration complete, and you can see that uh, it is complete. We can check it, and then now we can also uh, update with the health status of it. And I'll show you the path where it is installed. It is installed in C program files, Microsoft Active Directory Connect, Health Agent, and Agent Update. And sync is here. All updated now. And also one more thing, you can go to Entra ID and then go to Entra Connect and then connect sync. And now you can see that it is connected now and sync also enabled. And I will show you the users updated there. So if you click on users, then you can see all users are synced from on-prem AD to Entra ID. Oh, this is a connection error, some sort of. Okay, here you go. See, it default time is 30 minutes. It looks good to me. Thanks for watching it.